In 1953, Mr. Valentine, Mr. Paris, my father, and Mr. Wenger, they opened a factory, Valentine, in Switzerland. I make the first fryer in 1953. After 1 year, Mr. Valentini, who gave the name Valentine to the fryers, left the factory, and my father carried on with Mr. Wenger. In 1958, we met two nice gentlemen, Mr. Chile and Mr. Adams. They created the Valentine equipment in Reading, and I start to buy our fryer. And since they are our best customer.
We started off going back years ago in a basement in Kings Road. And a big milestone from that was to move to here, a modern building where we can store the equipment and we can work on the equipment. Our company ethos is quite simple, which is customer satisfaction, which is easily done these days because we have such a good product. The fryer just won't let you down on a Friday night. That's the most important thing for us.
Over the last 60 years of Valentine, the customer-led innovation is helping the fryer to evolve for the benefit of all of the users. The UK market is quite hard on catering equipment, more so than in Switzerland and other European countries.
I believe that the English people, they like our quality, our Valentine quality. Our Swiss made is very important. We are a little bit too expensive, the Swiss francs, but the Swiss made that the best.
The relationship that we've had with Valentine Fabrique has been a very close one over the years. So if the technical people at Valentine Fabrique have been designing a new fryer, they've asked us what we think about certain aspects of it and taken advice on whether to include certain features.
If the customer is happy, we are happy. We ask our chef, our customer in Switzerland, what they need, what they want, and after we make the fryer and we give this fryer, when it's nearly finished, to the customer to test it a few months. After saying that's right, that's wrong, say to us what we have to do to be performant and to be better. That's why the customer is very, very important for us.
Valentine Fabrique listen to us and they show us what their ideas are, and we look at them and we say yes, or yes, maybe you need to change it just a little bit. It's what the customers tell us, because we talk to the customers.
Having a facility like our demo kitchen here is very important. It gives our customers a chance to come and try any piece of equipment. The product has evolved to suit the market and it's been customer led.
Because of the quality of the Swiss fryer, and it goes on for 20, 30, 40 years, we still have spares available for those machines.
I remember a few years ago a customer came with an old fryer, a very old one for 53 in his car, and he said to me, "Can you have a look on this fryer? Still working, but just have a look."
The son phoned up and wanted a spare part for the fryer that his mother had bought him when he first started off business.
And I said, "Well, it's very old. You should change the fryer. We have no more heating element, nothing, no basket."
And unfortunately, it was just too old. It was over 50 years old and we just couldn't do it.
"Thank you very much. Bring it back to my car," and he went away. He said, "It's the best fryer, I keep it."
The technology employed in a Valentine fryer will help to produce healthier food. In the next 10 years, Valentine, I believe, will be far more reliant on electronics and much more closely controlled fryers. The Alpina range, which is being launched for sale in the UK from March this year, will have a much more precise temperature control, and this will be a real advantage for where we're cooking at lower temperatures.
We still have something in the head behind to find something new for the kitchen. And today we have in the factory the third generation, my son Christophe and my daughter Stephanie. That's mean, I hope in 20 or 30 years, Valentine Switzerland will be still making fryers and the best fryers like we do today.
The future of Valentine is bright. It's good to see that there's innovation that will take them through for another long period of time, hopefully another 60 years.
It's something that I've always held dear, that I would like to see the whole range, salamanders, fryers, induction, the whole thing, all made by Valentine, because you know that kitchen will be going for so long and it will outshine any other kitchen that's ever been made.